Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor, and in today's video we are going to be doing a 1-hour speed clean with me. Now I'm going to be doing a quick little tidy up all over the entire house because I've just been trying really hard to keep things really neat and tidy because Thanksgiving is this week, and if you're like me and you're hosting this year, you definitely want to try to make sure that you're keeping the mess at bay, like trying to make sure there's no messes piling up. Now if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and make sure you're subscribed because I will have coming up some more deep cleaning videos. If you watch my videos before from last week, I have been doing a lot of deep cleaning and decluttering, so today I just need to really tidy up until I can get some more time to do a really good deep clean throughout the entire house before I have guests coming over. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see that. Now first we are starting off in my bedroom, and there's not too much mess in here because I actually just recently did a really good declutter in here, so I don't have a whole lot of mess, which is one of my favorite things about decluttering. Like once you declutter, cleaning up is super easy and very fast. So I'm just going to start first by making up my bed. That is going to be like my first project of the day. Anytime that I'm cleaning up, especially when I'm doing a quick tidy, I feel like starting in my bedroom and just like making my bed makes get the ball rolling, if that makes sense. Like once you've got your bed made, I feel like your room starts to look better, and then that kind of just motivates you to keep going throughout the entire house.
And don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down, and I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. And I said, see it in your mind.
And now that I've got the room all cleaned up and tidied, I am just going to spray some Mrs. Meyer's room freshener. I love the smell of this. Now when I spray it, I do avoid my bed because I don't want any like heavy scents on my bed. I'm always really worried about my sensitive skin or my toddler's sensitive skin, so I just kind of spray it in the air and over the rug in the bedroom just so it has that scent in the room. Now once we're done in my bedroom, we are going to move into my bathroom, which is connected to my bedroom, so I always feel like once you clean one, you kind of have to clean the other. And usually on my bathroom counter there is always some mess going on because I get up really early in the morning while my family is still asleep, so I do my whole like get ready process, but I kind of just leave everything where it is so that I'm not making any unnecessary noise while they are sleeping, and this way I can just come back later once I do drop off with my boys. And if you are new to my channel, I would like to take a quick second just to introduce myself. My name is Taylor. I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 boys. My older son Jackson is 8, and I have a 2-year-old named Lincoln, and my 2-year-old Lincoln, he does go to daycare part-time, so for the few hours a day that he is gone away from the house, that is when I have to get all of my work done. So I usually spend a lot of time just cleaning, doing things around the house that need to be done. So I'm always making cleaning motivation videos. If you like those type of videos, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. There's always mess going on at my house, so I am always cleaning up. I also from time to time do like to do like home decor, especially decorating for the holidays. I love to decorate for every season and just all things homemaking, but mostly it's just a lot of cleaning.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or we'll just stay.
Now we are moving into the kitchen, and this area is just kind of a never-ending mess area for me. Because I do stay at home, I'm usually always making breakfast, lunch, dinner, like all of the meals in the house, especially like breakfast and lunch. It gets really messy in here because I try to feed the boys something in the morning before they get dropped off at school, so there's usually mess that is left behind once I do drop off and come back. And then I'll also make breakfast for myself and my husband, and then I'll also make everybody lunch. And of course, there's dinner and just snacks. So there's always some mess to be cleaned in this area. But one of my favorite things in my kitchen is my dishwasher, you guys. I always advocate for the dishwashers. I love my dishwasher. It saves me so much time. I'm allowed to get so much more cleaning done because I do use my dishwasher. I know some people are like up and down about their dishwashers, and some love them and some hate them. I am a person who loves my dishwasher. If I have any stuck on food that I feel like the dishwasher won't get off, you'll notice like I had a pot of macaroni and cheese that looked like it had been cooked for a little bit too long, so there was some cheese stuck to the bottom. I just scrape it off first. If I have to wash it with like a scrub brush, I will, and I'll still just toss it in the dishwasher just to give it a really good high temperature clean, even though I've already scrubbed it or washed it myself by hand. But I don't feel like I have to do that a lot, only with foods that are like I said, really stuck on.
Find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. I want to be there and baby dance the night away.
So you guys, it is official. I have officially run out of my Mrs. Meyer's fall cleaning scent. You see, I just had to throw the bottle away. It is my absolute favorite scent. Nobody has any more fall scents in store anymore, so I will have to wait until next year to get some more. I'm undecided if next year I want to stock up and get a few so that I can have it for a little while, or if I just want to get one bottle like I did this year and enjoy it for like that time of fall, and then go ahead and switch over to the holiday scents, because I did purchase some holiday scents. My store had run out in Target. They didn't have a lot to choose from, so I did have to order some online. So definitely, if you have not gotten your Mrs. Meyer's holiday scented cleaners already, definitely check your Targets. Also, I think Walmart has them and Amazon, but definitely check online if they don't have any in stores. I have the Snowdrop, the peppermint scent, and then they also have a pine scent. I'm having a brain fart right now and I cannot remember the names of all of the scents. But I did get all three, and I wasn't intentionally trying to get all three. I picked up the pine scent because that was all that my store had, and it's not my absolute favorite, but then once I started using it, I actually liked it. But I did order online the Snowdrop because that is my absolute favorite holiday scent. And then I realized when I was decluttering and cleaning, I had the peppermint scent from the previous year. I had a pretty full bottle left over that I kept, and it still smells really good. So now I have all three scents to I guess I can make different areas of the house smell like different scents, and it'll still just give like holiday vibes everywhere. Now we are moving into my boys' bathroom. I'm taking their rugs up because I want to go ahead and I want to wash them today. I know that I'm going to be deep cleaning everywhere really soon. So anytime that I'm doing a power hour like this, where I'm just cleaning up all over the house, I also like to try to use this time to help prep and make it a little bit easier for when I do a deep clean. So I took their rugs up and I went ahead and I put those in the wash because I know within the next day or so, I want to deep clean their bathroom, and I love to wash our rugs, our bathroom rugs, and like a really good scent. So when I deep clean and put those back in, they are looking fresh and bright, but they also smell really, really good. So I went ahead, I also took the toilet bowl cover off the top of the toilet. And you guys, normally I don't like having rugs or like covers around the toilet bowl. I have boys, and if you know, like their aim is not the best, so it's really easy for those to kind of get stained and also hold on to a lot of smell. But my boys have actually been doing really good with these, so I thought I was gonna have to be washing them every other day, but I haven't been. So once I finished tidying up in their bathroom, I just wanted to come in and do the same thing in their bedroom. And now my older son, he usually handles a lot of the cleaning in the bedroom, but I do go in and I do help him from time to time because it can get really messy. If you're not in my channel, you've seen it. It can get really out of control in here. So lately I've just been helping out by trying to keep it tidy. In the mornings, I don't always make him make his bed because I do let him sleep in a little bit. And once he gets dressed for school and he eats breakfast, we're usually out the door. So I will just from time to time, whenever I have the time, come back in and make his bed. But I wanted to just pick up all of these toys. During the holiday season, like I said, I like to not have that anxiety, that worry of, oh my God, is this area clean if we have any surprise guests? So I've been just doing my best to go into their room every day. Any mess that they've left out, I will just tidy up and put it away. I also like to keep their room pretty tidy because I did put Christmas decor in here. And when it gets really messy and cluttered in here, you really can't even tell there's any Christmas decor. It just looks like a lot of clutter.
Strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now. Could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. And look at us now. This is who we are. And I just know things will never.
Now we are moving into the family room and dining room area, and whenever I'm doing a power hour like this, sometimes what I will do to help make things a lot easier for me, which is actually what I was doing on this day, I will set a timer on my, I don't want to say her name just in case you all have one. I know whenever I'm watching a video and someone says her name, it sets her off. But I have a Google device in my house that I think it's by Google or it's by Amazon. I have a device in my house that I can give commands to. So normally what I will do is I will ask her to set a timer for me. This just really helps me stay on track to get things done, like especially to make sure that I'm focusing on areas that are like seen, where I want to keep those spaces looking really good. I know I can easily get distracted. I could be putting something away in the family room, and when I take it into my bedroom, I get distracted and I start working on something in my bedroom, and then I end up in the bathroom, and then I'm doing something in the kitchen, and nothing is actually finished. So what I will do is I will set a timer and kind of just use that to keep myself focused on getting one area done, and I will work in that one space until my timer is up. I love to do this when I'm doing a power hour because you can get so much done in 10 minutes in one room. Like if you just stay in one room for 10 minutes, by the time you are done, you will see such a difference in that room. And I know for me, whenever I'm cleaning, I love being able to see a difference in the mess. Like I love being able to see that I made a difference, because sometimes I get overwhelmed and I feel like I've been cleaning for an hour and everything looks the same. And it's all pointless, and it's like time for me to go pick my boys up or pick my younger son up, and I know like once he's home I won't be able to get as much done. So I love to clean like this. If you have not done it before, I definitely suggest just putting on a timer. Give yourself 10 minutes in each room and you will see this can go so far. And if you have a lot of mess, just do this every day until you get through it for about a week or so. You will feel so good about it all. And now we are all done. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.